God has been trying to reach out to you for the past 3 days through a spirit from heaven. You may have sensed an unusual presence or witnessed unexplainable events around you. This is not a mere coincidence. Rather, the Spirit is urgently attempting to forewarn you about an impending event that will profoundly alter your life. If you have faith in God, it is believed that when a spirit from the afterlife seeks to contact us, it is because they bear a crucial message. In this case, the message is of utmost significance and demands serious consideration. The Spirit is cautioning you that your time on earth is drawing to a close, and soon a significant change awaits you. The day is rapidly approaching, and it is imperative that you take action before it's too late. Type yes if this resonates with you. The concept of mortality can be intimidating, and the notion of facing an imminent change may be even more daunting. However, it's vital to comprehend that the Spirit's intention is not to instill fear, but to guide you towards your destiny. Death is a natural part of life, an inevitable transition that we all must undergo. The Spirit is aware of your fate and is endeavoring to prepare you for what lies ahead. Type yes if you trust in God. You may be curious as to why the Spirit has chosen to communicate with you specifically. It could be due to a unique purpose you hold in the afterlife, or unfinished matters that require resolution before departing this world. Regardless of the reason, the Spirit is offering assistance and guidance. Type, I am ready to Shini to affirm your readiness. It is crucial to heed the signs and messages conveyed by the Spirit. These may manifest in the form of dreams, visions, or even through people around you. Pay attention to repeated numbers or symbols, as well as vivid dreams that carry significant meanings. The Spirit might be guiding you to reconcile with individuals in your life, whether family, friends, or those you've wronged. Resolving conflicts and letting go of grudges will bring peace to your soul and those around you. While the thought of death can be overwhelming, understand that the Spirit aims to guide you towards a better place. It is your responsibility to interpret the signs, messages, and take the necessary steps to fulfill your destiny. Type 333 if you're ready. A spirit from heaven has been trying to contact you for the past 3 days, signaling an imminent change in your life. The approaching date is crucial, requiring you to pay attention to the signs and messages being sent your way. Embrace them and let them steer you toward your ultimate destiny. Death may be inevitable, but it is within our control to make the most of the time we have left on earth. Trust in the guidance of the Spirit and embrace the journey towards the afterlife. Donate us $100. For the broken soul in waiting, know that you are closer than you realize. God is about to exchange the beauty for the ashes you've held onto for so long. Something new and worthwhile is on the horizon, and God is poised to step in and manifest His greatness for you. The weight you've been carrying will soon reveal its purpose. Alone, isn't it wonderful to understand that God has someone just for you, someone to love you in all the right ways? Type I love Jesus forever. It is crucial that you heed the signs and messages sent by the Spirit, as it is not a mere coincidence. The Spirit is not trying to instill fear, but is rather guiding you towards your destiny. For those who trust in God, understanding that when a message comes from the afterlife, it holds a unique purpose is essential. In this case, the message is of utmost importance and must be taken seriously. The Spirit is cautioning that a significant event is on the horizon, and your time on earth is drawing to a close. Take action before it's too late. Type yes if you resonate with this message. The thought of death can be daunting, but it's vital to recognize that the Spirit is aiming to prepare you for a natural part of life. Death is inevitable, and the Spirit is aware of your fate, offering guidance to help you navigate this transition. Trust in God and interpret the signs to fulfill your destiny. You may wonder why the Spirit has chosen to contact you specifically. It could be for a unique purpose in the afterlife or to address unfinished business. Regardless, the Spirit is here to guide you. Type, "I am ready to shine," to affirm your readiness. Pay attention to the signs and messages conveyed by the Spirit, whether through dreams, visions, or symbols. Resolve conflicts in your life and make amends before your time on earth concludes. This not only brings peace to your soul, but also to those around you. Though the idea of death may be overwhelming, the Spirit seeks to guide you towards a better place. Interpret the signs, messages, and take necessary steps to fulfill your destiny. Type 3333 if you're ready. A spirit from heaven has been trying to contact you for the past 3 days, indicating an imminent change in your life. Pay attention to the signs and messages being sent your way, embrace them, and let them guide you toward your ultimate destiny. Trust in the guidance of the Spirit and embark on the journey towards the afterlife. For the broken soul in waiting, know that you are closer than you realize. God is about to exchange beauty for the ashes you've held on to for so long. Something new and worthwhile is on the horizon, and God is poised to show His greatness for you. Type, "I believe in myself," to affirm. God is sending a faithful one for you. Your days of worrying and staying up crying are over. Your God-sent is coming to love you with pure intentions. To those reading this, a prophecy is declared that your entire life is about to change. The favor of God will envelop you, taking you to higher levels. The valley will soon fade as you cross over into your beautiful brand new territory. Type, "I am ready to shine," to affirm your readiness. It's emphasized that the wait is worth it, and beauty lies beyond. Rest, take a deep breath, but don't give up. Glory awaits your obedience, and a remarkable story is about to unfold. The pain of the past will no longer matter as you live out your beautiful promise. Type, "I am ready to shine," to affirm your readiness. The message concludes with a call to believe in yourself and not let fear talk you out of your dreams. God is with you and success is assured. Check the bio link for the secret of attracting money and like the video to witness miracles. A groundbreaking revelation awaits you. 96% of people are unaware of a powerful money manifestation method. This technique has the potential to transform your beliefs about reality at the deepest level of your subconscious mind. It has personally altered the course of my life, and I encourage you to give it an honest try. Click the link in our bio to explore if this method works for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you cherish the Lord. Ignoring the signs and messages from the Spirit is not an option. The Spirit aims to guide you towards a future free from regrets, filled with love and happiness. Take a moment to reflect on your life, make amends, seek forgiveness, and forgive. The Spirit from heaven is your protector, offering guidance to ensure a better tomorrow. Type yes if you're ready to embrace this message. Today you're on the brink of a life-changing discovery. Imagine transitioning from financial struggles to effortlessly attracting money. The secret lies in activating your genetic wealth code. Once activated, your life will never be the same. Don't miss the chance to tap into this code while this page is still live. Click the link in my comments to unlock your genetic wealth code. Type yes if you're ready for this transformation. The approaching date is fast, and the Spirit from heaven is counting on you to heed its warning. Time is of the essence. Embrace the message, seek guidance, and trust in the journey ahead. The Spirit is with you every step of the way. As February approaches, anticipate turnaround and sudden miracles. This month holds promises of fulfillment and praises. It's time to believe in the impossible. Type, "I am present," to affirm your readiness. In seasons of silence and waiting, patience is learned. However, it's essential not to put life and happiness on hold. Find laughter, make memories, and enjoy the journey. God wants you to smile, so discover reasons to laugh. Activate the flow of unlimited wealth, happiness, and freedom by making a tiny change to your morning routine. Check the link in the comments for wealth secrets and subscribe to our channel. If you love God,